Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we tell you about Uganda-Tanzania War. The Uganda-Tanzania War, known in Tanzania as the Kagera War, Kiswahili Vita vya Kagera, and in Uganda as the 1979 Liberation War, was fought between Uganda and Tanzania from October 1978 until June 1979 and led to the overthrow of Ugandan President Idi Amin. The war was preceded by a deterioration of relations between Uganda and Tanzania following Amin's 1971 overthrow of President Milton Obote, who was close to the President of Tanzania, Julius Nyerere. Over the following years, Amin's regime was destabilized by violent purges, economic problems, and dissatisfaction in the Uganda army. The circumstances surrounding the outbreak of the war are not clear, and differing accounts of the events exist. In October 1978, Ugandan forces began making incursions into Tanzania. Later that month, the Uganda army launched an invasion, looting property and killing civilians. Ugandan official media declared the annexation of the Kagera salient. On the 2nd of November, Nyerere declared war on Uganda and mobilized the Tanzania People's Defense Force, TPDF, to retake the salient. Nyerere also mobilized Ugandan rebels loyal to Obote and Yoweri Museveni to weaken Amin's regime. After Amin failed to renounce his claims to Kagera and the Organization of African Unity, OAU, failed to condemn the Ugandan invasion, the TPDF occupied the towns of Masaka and Mbarara in southern Uganda. While the TPDF prepared to clear the way to Kampala, the Ugandan capital, Muammar Gaddafi, the leader of Libya and an ally of Amin, dispatched several thousand troops to Uganda to assist the Uganda army. The Palestinian Liberation Organization also sent a number of guerrillas to aid Amin. In March, the largest battle of the war occurred when the Tanzanians and Ugandan rebels defeated a combined Ugandan-Libyan-Palestinian force at Lukaya. The loss of Lukaya led the Uganda army to begin to collapse. Nyerere believed that Ugandan rebels should be given time to organize their own government to succeed Amin. He sponsored a conference of rebels and exiles in Moshi later that month, where the Uganda National Liberation Front, UNLF, was founded. Libya ended its intervention in early April and its troops fled the country. On the 10th of April, a combined TPDF-UNLF force attacked Kampala, and secured it the following day. Amin fled into exile while a UNLF government was established. In the following months, the TPDF occupied Uganda, facing only scattered resistance. It secured the Uganda-Sudan border in June, bringing the war to an end. The war severely harmed Tanzania's fragile economy and inflicted long-lasting damage to Kagera. It also had severe economic consequences in Uganda, and brought about a wave of crime and political violence as the UNLF government struggled to maintain order. Political disagreements and the persistence of the remnants of the Uganda army in the border regions ultimately led to the outbreak of the Ugandan Bush War in 1980.